Point the pen, concentrate, write. The insurance company filed its reply refuting the claim of the complainant. Stop. According to the company, it had not committed any deficiency in rendering service. Stop. It was also the case of the company that it had fulfilled all contractual obligations as to claim. Stop. The company informed the complainant about its decision on 21/12/1999, stating that the claim was not allowable and the amount was not payable. Stop. The insurance company therefore prayed for the dismissal of the complainant. Stop. According to the district forum, the main question was whether the insurance company was deficient in rendering service and wrongly disallowed insurance claim of the complainant. Stop. The forum considered the question and heard the parties. Stop. According to the complainant, at the time of accident, vehicle was driven by Mohammed Julfikar, who was having a license to drive light motor vehicle as also heavy motor vehicle. Stop. In spite of it, the insurance company disallowed the insurance claim of the complainant on the ground that the driver was not having valid driving license to drive the vehicle in question. Stop. It was also the contention of the complainant that certain documents produced by the insurance company were not genuine. Stop. The complainant was not an educated man and he knew only how to sign. Stop. If the officials of the insurance company had obtained signatures of the complainant on certain documents without reading over to him and making him properly understand the complainant should not suffer. Stop. According to the complainant, the insurance company wrongly presumed and proceeded on the basis that the vehicle was driven by Ram Narayan at the time of accident, who was having a valid driving license to drive only light motor vehicle and negatived the claim. Stop. It was therefore prayed that an award be passed in favor of the complainant. Stop. The case of the insurance company, on the other hand, was that the vehicle in question at the time of accident was driven by Ram Narayan, brother of the complainant. Stop. Admittedly, Ram Narayan was possessing license to drive light motor vehicle and not heavy motor vehicle. Stop. He therefore could not have driven transport vehicle in absence of necessary endorsement as required, and the insurance company could not be held liable. Stop. In this connection, the insurance company relied on the permit issued by the transport authority, the form submitted by the complainant, license issued, and other documents. Stop. The insurance company also relied upon FIR filed at police station Manpur, wherein it was stated that the vehicle was driven by Ram Narayan. Stop. Moreover, when the officers of the insurance company approached the complainant, they were informed by the complainant that the vehicle was driven by Ram Narayan. Stop. As an afterthought, only with a view to get the amount of compensation, it was asserted and a case had been put forward before the consumer forum that the vehicle was driven by Mohammed Julfikar. Stop. It was contended that the complainant realized belatedly that if true facts would be placed before the forum in view of legal position, he would not be able to get any amount from the insurance company. Stop. It was therefore asserted that Muhammad Julfikar was driving the vehicle, but it was not true. Stop. The insurance company hence submitted that there was no deficiency in rendering service by the company and the claim was liable to be dismissed. Stop. Tata Finance Limited, Jaipur, in its reply stated that the complainant had purchased the vehicle on the basis of hire purchase agreement and the amount was to be paid in installments. Stop. At the time of incident, rupees 3,65,026 were due and payable to the company. Full stop.